Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I welcome you to my new amazing project Star Rating. So in this we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's try it. So this I have made the 5 star. So let's rate. If I want to star 5 out of 5, then all of the 5 star become yellow, and I want to star it 3, so it become 3 of them yellow and remaining 2 become empty. So to make this, come to our VS Code. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So here we have taken a title star rating, then we have linked our CSS file. After that, in our body tag we have a div with class container, and in this div we have a h2 tag rate us. So now we have a one more div in this class container div with class rating. Then in this div we have taken a 5 input tags and label tags. So in this I have selected the type should be radio, name rating and id star 5, and value I have given 5. So similarly for remaining 4 input tags we have given the different id star 4 3 2 1. So we have a label tag also for our stars for the respective stars rating. So we have linked our CSS JavaScript file. Then here come to our CSS file. So in this CSS file you can see that in our body tag we have a background linear gradient, which you can see here, and then come to our class container. In our class container we have a width 400 pixel. Here we have a class container that I have shown now. So in this we have a margin 10 rem and auto, then we have a padding, then we have a background color, and a beautiful box shadow for our div, which you can see here. I'll zoom you and show you. See the beautiful box shadow for our div. Then we have a border radius 5 pixel. Then come to our h2 tag. So for that we have a text align center, margin bottom 20 pixel and a color code of our heading, which you can see here, rate us. So then we have a rating class. In this display flex justify content center align item center to make it in a center in a div. So then we have a rating. In this we have a type radio input tag, then display should be none. In starting the display should be none. Then in our label tag we have a font size 30 pixel and a color of that this color code, and then we have a cursor pointer and transition with this color and 0.3 second timing. Then we have a what we have set it down. We don't want to show our radio type radio, so radio type is a small circle. So here we have used a star. So star you can see it's not radio, so we use radio in that, and then we are going to display none, and then we are going to place the code of this star. So then here we have a code, unique code of our star. So this is the code for our field star. So then we have a, when you hover on our star, the color of this star becomes this color code. So let's see I hover, it become this color. Then we have a one more this. Then here we have a before. So here no, the star remaining, so I want to star in 2, so remaining 3 star become the empty. So for the empty star we have a unicode this, then the color of the star become this color code. So in here we have taken the type radio. So we don't want to show the type radio. Radio is like small circle, so we want to don't want to display it, so here we have taken display now. So now we are going to replace with our star. So we want a star rating. So for a star we have a code, unicode. So this is for field star, unicode 2605, and then we have a empty star 2606. Now come for our JavaScript file. So here how the changes will occur, here we will see. So here we have a variable rating in which we have taken our rating class. Then we have a for loop. In this we have checking the length of the rating. Then we have a add event listener. So here the changes event we have. So what the changes user will do, then what function will happen. So for the function variable stars we have taken, then we have passed the rating. Then we have a for loop star dot length. So it will check the how much we have given a star. So let's we have given 4 star, so it will check. Then what he will do, then it will go for a for loop, and the it will style the color with this color code. This color code is yellow, nothing but yellow color code. So first we have selected 4, then it's counted. Then it will go for a for loop again. Then it will change the color of the star. Then one more for loop it will check how remaining we have suppose we have taken 3 star, then remaining 2 star, the forward star will become empty. So for that we have a color code is this. So like that we have created our star rating with this for loop. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in a next video with a new amazing project. So thank you guys.